J. Mya Go, laugh and play. Mya Go, what do we say? Mya Go, exercise!
It's another sunny day in the town of Everyday, and Mya Go is getting ready to go to the park with Dada Go.
I've got my frisbee, Dada. I'm all ready for the park. What are you reading? And wearing?
This? Well, I've decided to get more exercise, Mya. I'm going to be keeping fit right here at home.
How are you going to do that?
If I want to get in tip-top condition, I only need one thing. Lots of exercise machines. Now, which one will I order first? Oh dear, that's a lot of money. They all cost a lot of money. How am I going to keep fit if I can't afford to buy these machines?
I've seen one of these before in Ruby Make's workshop.
Of course! I bet the Makes have all kinds of exercise machines. I wonder if they'd let me use them.
Why don't we go and ask them on our way to the park?
Good thinking, Mya. Let's go!
Mya Go has arrived at the Make's house with Dada Go. Ruby Make and Mama Make are in their yard.
Hi, Ruby Make. Hi, Mama Make.
Hello there, Go family. Dada Go, you look like you're training for something.
Just training to be the fittest Dada Go I can be.
Dada was wondering if he could use your exercise machines, Mama Make.
If you don't mind.
Of course. You're welcome to try them. We'll open up the workshop right now.
Oh, this is great. I'm just itching to give myself a fitness boost.
Everybody's gathered in the Make's workshop to try out the machines. Dada Make is here too.
Hello, Dada Go. I hear you're ready for a workout.
Oh, yes. Oh, what's this?
This is a rowing machine. You pull on these handles and move your body back and forth. Like so.
Rowing is great exercise.
Give it a try, Dada Go.
This control panel has over 500 settings that act like real water. Just choose one you like and get rowing.
How about this one? I think it's stuck. Just a little harder. I think it's stuck. Oh!
Ooh, that's not how Mama Make did it.
That shouldn't be happening. We'd better see what's wrong.
Is it broken?
Dada Go just set it to frozen ocean by mistake. That's the toughest setting of them all.
Maybe you should try something with less buttons, Dada Go.
Yes, less buttons. Aha! A treadmill. That's perfect.
This treadmill fits 2 runners. And it's voice activated. Just tell it to start, and it starts.
Start.
This is fun, like running around in the park.
And it's faster than rowing.
Faster.
Huh? Why is it going faster?
Faster.
Ah!
We'll save you, Dada. Whatever you do,
Don't say that word, Mya.
What word, Dada?
Faster!
Faster.
Ah!
Quick! Pull the emergency lever.
Wait!
Ah!
Are you all right, Dada Go?
Yes, but I might need to build up fitness before I do more running.
I've got the perfect machine for that, Dada Go.
What is it?
I call it the Shaker-Sizer. This plate vibrates your muscles all at once, so you can exercise without even moving.
Without moving, you say?
I'll show you. Mya, you can help. Just step onto the plate.
This one is nice and easy, Dada Go. You'll definitely like this.
All right. Here I go.
Careful of those controls, Dada Go.
Oh, no. Ah!
We have to stop it. What will we do?
Pass me your frisbee, Mya.
Great shot, Mama Make.
Are you okay, Dada Go?
Fine. I just never realized working out was so much work. You know, I don't think I need all that expensive gear. I'll just stick to simple stuff to keep fit, like playing frisbee in the park.
Playing outdoors is great exercise. As good as any machine.
And twice as much fun.
If you like frisbees, I've got just the thing. My Auto Frisbee exercises your arms and neck. Try it, Dada Go.
No thanks, Dada Make. I think I'll just stick to the regular one.